for the score.
Set.
Off they go, is it now? A good start there downside from Melanie van Gilden. But now it's on Jing straight on getting into her lane as she powers down that back straight. This is the lane to be controlled. In good rhythm, running well also making it here, but was that the call?